Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I just want to show off a couple of things that I had finished. A work in progress, and my Maxim Afghan kit. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with what I did finish. I made another one of the candy corn cats. This time I put whiskers on it. I had someone comment that I needed whiskers on it. And it has the tail. So, I did finish this. This goes to my great niece. My daughter, the one that I made my grandson, she has already taken her stuff with her. So, but she's going to bring it back so I can put whiskers on that one. Well, this right here came out of my Spooktacular Crochet, and I will leave my affiliate link below, and you can get this off Amazon, and I think you can still get this off of Annie's. But this has been a great catalog. I mean, there's so much stuff, and I just spread it out. But here's the little candy corn right there, candy corn cat. Now his tail is curved. When I did mine and the both of my cats, neither one of them, they didn't turn out curved. I don't know. I mean, I followed the pattern, but it has a curved look. But I'm not going to worry about it too much. One is for a 6-month-old, and then the other girl, I don't think my great niece, I think she's 10. She's not going to care. So anyway, I did finish this, and the colors, he's really bright looking. I really like how bright it came out. So this is Varsity Orange. Yes, this is Big Twist you get from Joann's. I just used some of that. This was some white that was in a bag. One of the ladies from my church had given me, I don't know, maybe about 10 bags of yarn. And so I took the yarn and I gave the majority of it to my sister. She's just starting out. But her granddaughter was with her, and that's the one who picked out wanting this cat right here. And so my sister told me, she said, well, just grab the white, take this white, and make her cat. It can be part of the cat, whatever. And so I don't know what it is, but it feels like it's probably Red Heart. And then the same with this one. It was in there as well. So, and then I just used my own Big Twist for the orange. But yeah, so it feels, like I said, it does feel like it's Red Heart. The other thing that I did finish is, you guys know that I have the cow in the blanket right here. The baby shower is Saturday. Sadly, I won't be going to it because we're having this fest in the 2 towns away that my, I guess you'd say, step-granddaughter is dancing in. And so I will be going to see that with the family. And then we're taking my grandson to his first pumpkin patch. So yeah. But I'll be giving this to him. Anyway, so I made some little baby booties. And they have a little cuff top on them. And then I just made a nice simple little hat. I was going to make the hat a little fancier. It's got the little brim on it too. I was going to make the hat a little fancier, but then I was like, well, there's so much going in this blanket, and then the cow has all this on it. So I decided to just make it a little, just plain with the little ribbed edging at the top because of that. But that was my thinking. I thought, well, she's probably going to want to take a photo of him, with all this around him, and I just didn't want to overdo it. But my intentions was to have like a big pom-pom thing and some little cow patch. The black was only going to be a little small trim. But yeah, I changed it up at the last minute. Okay, the thing that I'm making here, this is for a lady at my church. And I have a few more rows to go. And then it will be finished. It is the Bag O' Day, the quick and easy poncho that she has out. I just recently had made me a black and white one. Or I guess you could say black and gray. But this lady wanted one of them, and so I'm making her one. And it kind of comes out looking a little like it's tie-dye look or something like that to me. But it's very pretty. But it's the Colorscape here. This is the color. And so it looks a little dark from here, but if you were to see that in person, it's bright like it's showing up in the camera right here. Yeah, it's called Shanghai. Anyway, this is Red Heart Colorscape. It's 187 yards, and it takes about 600 yards. It's what I have written down on my notes. It takes about 600 yards to make that, and I've already used 2 of these, so I don't like much more. I don't think it's going to take this whole thing. I mean, it could surprise me. I don't know. I'll have to go pull mine out and see how many these rows that I did. And I'm going to go by that. It says Red Heart, medium full weight. I think I said 187 yards. Yeah, 187 yards. And I was going to see, make sure it's 100% acrylic. Yeah, it's 100% acrylic. So, yeah, there you go. See, isn't that pretty? So, yeah, so this is for her. And the next thing that I have, yeah, I guess is just the Mary Maxim. Only 6 minutes into the video and I'm almost done. Okay, Mary Maxim, the last kit they sent me was kind of on the green tones for an Afghan. And this is a quarterly subscription. And it's $34.99. They charge you, no way, I'm sorry, it's $29.99. They charge you $4.99 shipping, or at least they do me. And it comes to $34.99. I think that's right. I got the paper right here. Yeah, it's $29.99. They charge you $4.99 shipping, and it comes to $34.99 is what, and it's every 3 months. So, guess what, guys? I got green yarn again. Look at this. So, I guess I need to really learn to like green Afghans. Or I can find other things to do it. That's what I did with my black one. So I don't mind it. I did not look to see how much this cost. But in the past, all the ones that I did check out, they were pretty much you were getting just, you know, a little bit of a savings. But this is Premier Couture Home. Look how big that is. That's pretty big. It says the color on this is Rosemary. It is Premier Yarns, 245 yards, 86% acrylic, 14% polyester. It's a super bulky 6. And there it is. At least it's pretty. So, but yeah, that's the second Afghan I've gotten from them, and it's green. Luckily, I do like green, so yeah. So you get 1, 2, and then these 3 come in a bag like this. So so you get 5 of these. And then, hold on. And I like that they always come in these zippered bags. That's really cool, so that when I'm working on this project, hopefully it will all fit back in that bag. All right, let's see what they say about the pattern. It says it's textured wave throw. This is what you're supposed to be able to make with it. It's very pretty. I haven't ever made a Afghan in this type of yarn before. Or any bulky yarn before. So I'm a little excited about that. Like I said, I wish it would have been, I don't know, not green this time, because I already have green. But I am okay with it. Let's see. Forgot to feel the yarn. The yarn does feel good. Oh, what about being washable? I don't know how to understand that. Do not iron, I can tell that. I'm not really sure. Okay, machine wash normal, tumble dry normal, low heat. Yeah, so. All right, so what it says on here, it is going to be 42 by 52. And it takes a 12 millimeter hook. Wow, that's big. And it's got a lot of V-stitches and shell stitches in the pattern. And it looks like it's a repeat row of 2 and 3. So I should be able to handle that when I get around to making it. Wait, hey. When I get around to making it. I still have, oh my gosh, how many kits do I have right now? I have this kit of theirs now. I have their green kit from last month, from last quarter. I have a Christmas kit from Hirschner's. And then I have another kit from Hirschner's. And then I have 2 kits up here that I ordered from the UK. And then I have a kit that I'm working on. Working on them. I haven't started them. Only one of them I've started. So, and then of course I am making a blanket right now for my brother-in-law. I'm making him one. But that's not a kit. Yeah. That's quite a bit of Afghan kits I've got right now. So, yeah, I need to get back to making scarves and hats now that winter is approaching. Oh, yeah, my bobbin thread yarn, that cardigan called the Midnight Cardigan. Well, I ran out of yarn again, so I had to place an order for another one. And I'm on my 3rd bobbin for this. Yeah, I don't know. I'm like, I don't know if I'll ever get it done. I have the back completed, one front panel completed, almost another front panel completed, and then I still have sleeves to do because I want it long sleeve. But I will be so excited when it gets done. So I'm hoping that maybe this 3rd one will do the job. You just never know. My daughter did bring these over. I forgot about this. She brought these over for me. And she, wants towel toppers. This is not part of putting in for my Christmas gifts, but it does go towards my, the crochet towel topper, crochet along that we've got going, the year-long thing. I will show this and that and put them in the slideshow with all of you guys' towel toppers. But yeah, I really like this one. Oh, and don't forget that I have a giveaway going. I think it ends Friday. So it's zips and then 2 things of yarn right here. And there are some little gadgets, little cute stuff in here as well. All right, so let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. It says, I am free. Then you will know the truth, and the truth will make you free. John 8:32. It says, God, only the freedom you offer is truly free. When I choose to ignore your ways and I am free to sin however and whenever I wish, the sin itself enslaves me. I invite something as seemingly inconsequential as gossip in the door, and the next thing I know, envy, greed, and compromise have broken it down and taken me hostage. But with you, am I free to move about, unencumbered by negative emotions and acts? Lord, thank you for inviting me to stand in your truth. You invite me to let your law, the law of love, rule my heart. I am free to accept, and when I accept, I am free. Has the truth set you free? I always like that one. Has the truth set you free? Free indeed. Okay, guys, that is all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.